STEAM Time with Sarah. My name is Sarah, and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Have you ever wanted to fly to the moon, or maybe even be an astronaut when you grow up? It's definitely possible. Did you know that on July 20th, 1969, the first ever people walked on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. So today we will be reading 8 Days Gone, which is inspired by the true story of the first ever moon landing. 8 Days Gone by Linda McReynolds, illustrated by Ryan O'Rourke. Hundreds gather, hot July, spaceship ready, set to fly. Launchpad countdown, smoke and flame, rumbling, blasting, seizing fame. Rocket orbits, engines fire, toward the moon, soaring higher. Shrinking planet, streaming fast, starry darkness, sprawling vast. Fasten helmets, gloves and boots, backpacks, air tanks, bulky suits. Spacecraft readied, system checks, lunar module disconnects. Michael Collins stays with ship, waits, observing, tracking trip. Nation watching, bated breath, eagle landing, life or death. Armstrong makes his one small step, giant leap from years of prep. Edwin Aldrin hops around, boot prints left on ashen ground. Desolation, silent, dark, tranquil sea, barren, stark. Haul equipment, careful test, exploration, lunar quest. Snapping pictures, planting flag, soil samples, rocks in bag. Eagle docking, mission ends, journey home to family, friends. Swiftly speeding, Earth ahead, ship arriving, news is spread. Ocean splashdown, heroes seen, helicopter quarantine. Brave explorers, safe return, data gathered, much to learn. Lunar mission reached new heights. It paved the way for future flights.
Today's activity will be inspired by the first successful moon landing. For this activity, you'll need different colored paper, scissors, glue, paint, and a paintbrush. Your first step is painting your hand. I squirted some paint in the palm of my hand and then used a paintbrush to spread the paint around. You can do this in different ways. It's also important to have a grown-up help you with this first step. You also want to have your lightest color of paper ready for you to flip your hand over and press your handprint down on. It's also very important to get each one of your fingers painted. After you paint your hand, flip it over and push all of your fingers down to make a beautiful handprint on your lightest sheet of paper. Finally, you're going to take your other colors of construction paper and start cutting out pieces for the rocket. You can create a top, you can create wings, you can even create a turbo booster. Whatever you want on your rocket ship. Make sure to cut out as best as you can on your colorful construction paper. After you cut out your pieces, make sure that you are using your glue to glue all of the pieces on to secure them. And there you have your beautiful rocket ship.
If you made a rocket ship of your very own, please make sure to post it onto our social media, our Facebook or our Instagram. We'll see you next time.